Hey, welcome to Roads to Forever. It's Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious carrot ginger juice recipe without a juicer. That's right, you don't need a juicer for this delicious recipe. And what I love about this carrot ginger juice recipe is that it's energizing. The carrots are obviously great for your eyes. It tastes good, good for your digestion, and it is so refreshing. So this is something that you can have as a summer drink as well. So I really love this recipe, and it is so quick and easy to make. So all you will need, here you see I have a piece of ginger that I've peeled and I've washed. I have an apple. This is one large apple, so I took the core out, I chopped it up, and I washed it. So you could use any type of apple you like. I'm using a Gala apple. I like to use either Gala or Honey Crisp because they have a nice sweetness. I have 12 ounces of water, so 10 to 12 ounces of water. You can use that. And then I have my carrots here, which I've peeled, washed, and chopped up. So this is 4 to 6 small to medium carrots that I use. So I made sure that my carrots and my apple was organic. And the reason for that is because, again, you want to make sure there's not a lot of pesticides and chemicals on them. So I made sure that I got organic. Now, if you can't get organic, the best thing to do is to make sure that you peel your veggies and your fruit if it's not organic. So that way you're minimizing the pesticide load. The next thing that you will need is a blender. So I have my Ninja. Love using my Ninja. It is so easy, makes life great here. Then I also have a glass pitcher with a nut milk bag. So you'll need a nut milk bag, especially since you're not using a juicer. So all I'm going to do is take all of my ingredients here, and then I'm going to toss them in my blender, and then I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll go through the rest of the steps. If you're excited to try this awesome carrot ginger juice, hit that thumbs up button. And also, if you hit that thumbs up button, it lets me know you want to see more recipes like this. So hit that thumbs up button, and then let me know in the comments down below if you are pumped to try this recipe. All right, guys, so you can see here I've added all of my ingredients to my Ninja, and so all I'm going to do is blend this on high for 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes smooth. So again, just power on your blender. So whether it's a Ninja or a Vitamix or any type of blender, doesn't matter. I just love using my Ninja. And then, like I said, you're just gonna blend this on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Alright guys, now that it's nice and smooth and it's finished blending, all we're going to do is just take that right off of our blender. And here we have our glass pitcher with our nut milk bag set up, and all we're going to do is just put that right over our pitcher like this, and then pour our juice in the nut milk bag, making sure that it doesn't go down the side. To pull my drawstring nice and tight. And again, if you don't have a nut milk bag, you can always use a strainer, and you're just going to squeeze that juice right out into your pitcher just like so. And you can make multiple batches. So let me just show you the coloring so you can see here, nice and rich, and this juice is so refreshing. So we're just going to keep squeezing that out, and then we'll do that with the rest of it, and I'll pour it in the glass and show you what that looks like. So I have my nut milk bag, and I'm just pouring my other half right in here, giving you guys a better look. So right into that nut milk bag. There's still some left in here that I'll get later. You can use your spatula to take that out, and then you're just going to pull your drawstring, and same thing as before. We're just going to squeeze that right into your glass pitcher just like this. And just keep squeezing. And then, of course, you're just going to take it and then you're going to pour it into your glass. Or you can, put it into a mason jar so you can see, look at this beautiful coloring, guys. And this juice right here is so refreshing. It's energizing. You are going to love this carrot ginger juice. If you're excited to try this, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoy this quick and easy, delicious carrot ginger apple juice recipe, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you share with your friends and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. But before you leave, I want to remind you, you're only one prayer away. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Enjoy this delicious ginger drink.